What weapon you got? Weak. You can't do shit with that one besides make me mad. Are you done? Look at him. You can't swing with something I'm holding. Now I'm holding your hand. Pick up the weapon. Pick it up. Here's what we gonna do. I'm gonna stand you right here. If you can get to that weapon before I get to you, you win. If you get to that weapon before I get to you, you win. Shame. Shame. I would've really gave... Give you a chance.